First, today we will solve one more question of a LeetCode, which is LeetCode 14, longest common prefix. So here is given a vector string in which there is a lots of string is given. So you just have to return the common prefix in all the strings, okay? So this is the one of the easiest question of the string. You have to return the common characters. So F is common in all three words and L is common in all three words, but the O is common in only two words. So you can't return it because the flight did not have a O. So you just have to return the common prefix only. So let's do this code. First create n, which store the size. And then string answer, which will store the answer. And sort the string. And create string first. And if it is not follow, if the first of I and last of I is equals to, then you just have to add them in an answer. And if it is not, then you just have to break this loop, okay? And after this, you just have to return the string, which is answer. Let's run this code. Yeah, this works fine. Let's submit it. Yeah, this has been submitted. Thanks for watching.